Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a react-js pagination component. So we have a 6 images I'm displaying, and I'm displaying 2 images per page. So when you load your application, we are on the first page and we are showing the first 2 images, if you see. And if I navigate to the second page, we have all these pagination controls. I will see the next 2 images appearing. If I go to the third page, you will see the next third images will last 2 images will appear. We also have the next and the previous buttons as well in the pagination. So it is also using Bootstrap in the background. So the package name is react-js-pagination. So if you go to npmjs.com and just search for this package, react-js-pagination, this is the name of the package that we are using. So it's a very simple react.js module. The command is very simple. You just need to execute this command, and it's almost got 20,000 weekly downloads. So apart from that, we also need to install Bootstrap, which is we are using it in the background to build out the user interface. So you also need to install Bootstrap. So after that, guys, we will start building this application. So now just make a simple functional component, and then we will import this pagination component by using the import statement, and it contains this method pagination, which will be coming from react.js pagination. So it's almost 20 kilobytes of size, so we are having importing this pagination component from this package. And also we need to import the CSS file of Bootstrap that we installed it. So we are simply importing the CDN of Bootstrap CSS file. So after this, guys, we also need to embed 6 images that we are using. It is present in my assets directory, which is in my source directory. So one by one I will import all these 6 JPG images using the import statement. So I will just copy paste these 6 import lines. So we are importing all these 6 images: image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4, image 5, and image 6. So after that, we will import some state variables in our functional component. I will create an images array where I will store all these images like this. We'll create an array. So after this, we will create a variable. How many images you want to in per page, you will say 2. And then I also need to declare a variable for keeping track of the active page in the pagination. Set active page. This will be 1. So initial value will be using the useState hook. So whenever you load your application, you will be on the first page of the pagination. Apart from that, we will also need to calculate the page number for the first, last, and the current page. So we are using this formula here. We are multiplying image per page by active page, and then for calculating the last page, we are minusing the, this is actually the formula, and then to get the current images, we are slicing the array, and we are using this two values, which is the index of first image and the index of last image. So after you do this, after you calculate all these 3 variables, now wherever you need to embed this pagination, we come to the JSX. We just give some base CSS styles to the parent div. We give image pagination example, and after this we will have another div tag. So here you'll be making just we are writing this custom CSS, so just make it in the center of the screen. So the pagination will do in the center of the screen. So we will loop through, which we calculated this current images. We'll map each image like this image index. So we'll be using the image tag, and we'll just attach the key parameter, which will be index. The source will be image, and I will just give it a style parameter, a width of 200 pixel and a height of 150 pixel, and I will also give it a border radius of of around 8 pixel. So this is just we are simply looping through this array that we calculated using the map operator. For each image we are displaying it in the image tag, and just after this we will embed our pagination component. So we simply import the pagination component, and it actually takes some parameters. First of all, the active page, so you need to provide the active page. Secondly, it takes the items count per page, so how many images you want to display. So this is, we are displaying two images, so this is located in this variable items per page. I think I have declared this variable, which is images per page, so I will use this variable images per page, and then total item count. So total items, you will say images dot length, will calculate the total images, which is 6, and then it also takes some parameters for page range display, so I will say 5, and also you can bind an on change. So whenever user clicks the next button or clicks any page or navigate to any page, so we will bind this handle page change function. So what does function do? So whenever page is changed in the pagination, this function will handle this change, and you will get the page number as passed as an argument, and depending upon which page number is selected, we will simply set the active page to that. We'll use the hook function and set this to page number. That's all that we need to do. Apart from that, we can even apply some custom CSS classes as well. Item class, you can give it a page item, and link class, you can give it page link. That's all that we need to do, guys. If you refresh your application, you will see this nice little pagination. I think I made some kind of mistake. The pagination controls are not, total item count is marked as required in pagination 2, but its value is total item count, total items count. Sorry, I misspelled the length here. That was a problem. And now you will see the pages will display 3 pages, which is correct because we are displaying 6 images. So 6 divided by 2 comes out to be 3. So on each page we are displaying 2 images. So in this way, guys, you can do this pagination very easily. We are showing all these controls, so you can have your own data. And let's suppose I want to display 3 images per page, so now it will only contain 2 images, 2 pages. So on a single page we are displaying 3 images. So this is the first page, and if I navigate to the second page, the next 3 images will display. So this is the pagination, guys. You can do it using this package very simply. Thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.